Let's create 2 balloon headbands. We need 2 balloons here with 4 inches allowance at the end. Okay, so just put all the nostrils together like this. Now create a 1-inch balloon, a 1-inch bubble, sorry. Okay, just like that. A 1-inch bubble. Create one more 1-inch bubble here. And you just do the same thing. And I think this is the last. Okay, now we're done here. All you need to do is you need to put this here. And you end up like this. This is what we call 2 balloon headband. Thank you so much.